Good morning, friends. I hope you are ready for a great day. It is sunshiny and beautiful here, and I hope that even if it's not sunshiny and beautiful where you are, that you get to go outside and have some fun today. So this morning for our greeting, we're going to clap a friend's name with me. We're going to do clap a friend's name with me, name with me, name with me, clap a friend's name with me. Let's clap Dahlia. Dahlia. Awesome. Clap a friend's name with me, name with me, name with me. Clap a friend's name with me. Let's clap Faiza. Faiza. Clap a friend's name with me, name with me, name with me. Clap a friend's name with me. Let's clap Braxton. Braxton. Clap a friend's name with me, name with me, name with me. Clap a friend's name with me. Let's clap Eli. Eli. Clap a friend's name with me, name with me, name with me. Clap a friend's name with me. Let's clap Charlie. Charlie. Clap a friend's name with me, name with me, name with me. Clap a friend's name with me. Let's clap Strider. Strider. Clap a friend's name with me, name with me, name with me. Clap a friend's name with me. Let's clap Blake. Blake. I think that's just one syllable. Clap a friend's name with me, name with me, name with me. Clap a friend's name with me. Let's clap Gracie. Gracie. Clap a friend's name with me, name with me, name with me. Clap a friend's name with me. Let's clap Cooper. Cooper. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a sign language clap. Excellent work. I am so happy that you guys joined us today and clapped friends' names with me. All right, my friends, this morning you're going to think about something that you are good at that you would like to share out loud. So something that you are good at doing. Okay, you might be good at building Legos. You might be good at riding your bike. You might be good at a particular sport. You might be a really fast runner. You might be really good at arts and crafts. There's lots of things that we can be good at. And I want you to think of something that you are good at. Okay, so everybody think, think, think. Something you're good at. And when you know, raise your hand. All right, do you have it? Awesome. If you ever need more think time, you can always pause the video. So something that this is the question. What are you good at? Let's read it together. What are you good at? Okay, so Mrs. Ferguson is going to share what she's good at. I am good at sewing and swimming. Okay, so I love, like I told you guys before, I love swimming in the ocean. I go down as much as I can to swim in the ocean. And the more I practice my swimming, the better I get. And the longer I can swim for. I started out and I could just swim one length of the bay. But now I can swim all the way down and all the way back. By the time I get done, I'm pretty tired. But I can still do it. So that practice has really helped me become a better swimmer. And you guys know that I do enjoy sewing, and this is something I'm particularly proud of. I've made a bunch of these masks, and they have shown me that I'm good at sewing. I was able to try something brand new that I had never done before. And that's a really good way to grow your brain too, is if you try new things and you try to learn how to do new things. We don't just grow our brain by reading and writing, we grow our brain by doing things with our bodies as well. So if you're learning to ride a bike, you're growing your brain. If you're learning to ride a skateboard, you're growing your brain. If you're learning how to glue things together or build things with your Legos, you are growing your brain. And so Mrs. Ferguson felt like she really grew her brain when she had to learn how to make these masks so that she could send them to people. So I am good at sewing and swimming. What are you good at? Oh, I'm excited to hear what you guys are good at. So I want you to pause the video and I want you to share with someone in your house what are you good at? I am good at All right, my friends, for our writing today, we are going to be writing about what we just shared. This is your chance to celebrate yourself and what you're good at. It's really important for us to feel good about ourselves, isn't it? So let's think about those things that we're really, really good at. So when you write today, we are going to write, I am good at Okay, so let's count the words that we're going to write. I am good at. How many words is that? 4. Good thinking, good thinking. Now, I know I remind you a lot, but just remember, whatever you are ready for is what you should be doing. If you are ready to write on a board like Mrs. Ferguson is, great. If you are still tracing your letters in the air as I write them, that's wonderful. If you're tracing them on the ground in front of you, or if you're writing them with a paper or pencil, or if you're just hearing the sounds in the letters that we're saying and the words that we're saying, that's great. So anything you are doing along with us is helping you to grow your brain, remember? So wherever you are, you're doing a great job. Just try your best, okay? So how many words did we say we were going to write? 4, yes. So I'm going to help myself keep track of where I am. And I'm going to draw 4 spots. 1, 2, 3. You know what? I think I made that one a little too long. So make this one a little longer. And all right, let's see if we need a little more space. We can change our spots too. Okay, ready? I am good at, right? Okay, perfect. What is our first word going to be? I, yes. And who can remember what kind of an I it needs to be? An uppercase I for 2 reasons. Remember, it's at the beginning of our sentence, and it's also a word all on its own, okay? So let's make that an uppercase I. I straight down from head to toe, then across the top and across the toes. That's how I goes. It's a good reminder of how to write the letter I. That's another Nellie Edge favorite. I am. Am is a sight word, but I think we might be able to sound it out once we get past that first sound. Let's sound it out. Am. Ah. Ah. What sound do you hear there? An A, yes. And this is a lowercase a. A. Am. Am, yes. An M. Good job. Oh, wonderful. So let's read what we have so far. I am. What's our next word going to be? Good. Yes, I think we can sound this one, part of this one out. This is another sight word. So when we write our sight words, we want to write them in adult spelling. So let's think of the sounds we hear at the sound we hear at the beginning. Good. G, g. G, yes, G, g, goat. And remember, I've got my finger spaces between my words here. The good, G is a monkey letter, which means it hangs below our line, which is kind of interesting, isn't it? We've got a few monkey letters, and the other letters sit on the line, like the I and the A and the M. So the next 2 letters don't make the sound that I would think they do. That's kind of a tricky one. But since this is a sight word, I'm going to tell you this is 2 O's. G. Now it looks like goo, doesn't it? But we've got to add that last sound. What sound do you hear at the end of good. D. What is it? Yes, it's a D. Good thinking. A lowercase d. Up and down. Wonderful. All right, we have one more word that we're going to write today. Okay? Now I'm going to leave a little bit more of a finger space there. That's why I love this board, because it's easy to make changes to it. I don't have to get frustrated with my eraser. At. At. What sound do you hear at the beginning of at? A, yes. And then that last sound. T, t. T, yes. Awesome job. Okay, what word was this? At. Awesome. Okay, so Mrs. Ferguson's going to put the cap on her marker. Actually, I can't find the cap for my marker, so I'm just going to put my marker over there. And I'm going to find it later so that it doesn't get marker all over. So always put your caps on your markers, guys. Okay, get that pointer power ready. Pointer power, pointer power, pointer power, pointer power. Helps me to read. It's going to help me read. Let's get it ready. I am good at. Awesome job. Okay, that was me. Now I want you to do it with me. Ready? I am good at. Wonderful. Who thinks they can do it all on their own? Raise your hand. Okay, get ready. Oh my goodness, wonderful, wonderful job, my friends. Let's give ourselves a raise the roof, whoop, whoop. And we're gonna give ourselves 3 snaps and a brain grow. Your brains are getting so big because you're doing such a great job and trying your best. So remember, if you need some time to catch up, you can pause the video at the end and catch up on what we've written today. But another idea is if you have magnetic letters, you can use those to spell out the words that we've written and to do your writing and to hear your sounds. Or like I said, wherever you are, that's where you need to be. So keep up the great work, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go for it. Great job, guys. Now, I know that you guys remember my friend Tammy that we introduced last week. And Tammy just wanted you to know when we start our hero time today that she is so proud to be listed as one of our heroes. She's the one that runs ASAP Animal Rescue. And she wanted you guys to know that she is very appreciative and that she said a great big thank you for making her hero of the day. So let's say you're welcome. Awesome job. Okay, guess what time it is? It's hero time. H-E-R-O time. It's H-E-R-O time. Who will be our hero today? Who will be our hero today? Well, today I have a very special friend to introduce you to. She's one of my best friends in the world, and she has an incredibly cool job that is very, very important. So I want to introduce you to my friend Elizabeth. And Elizabeth, oh, this is so hard with the glare. My friend Elizabeth is this one right here. And that's her dad, who is a doctor and still working at a hospital right now. And they're both wearing what on their faces? They're wearing masks, yes, to protect themselves. So my friend Elizabeth, she is a mental health professional. Remember, we met Jim last week, and he is also a mental health professional. Well, Elizabeth goes into work every day, and she helps people feel better emotionally. And she runs small groups, and she meets one-on-one with people, and she has sessions on the computer as well. And she just opened up her very own private practice, so she's going to be helping even more people that way. So every single day, even though she might be putting herself at risk of getting the virus, she goes into work and she helps people and helps their hearts feel better and helps them heal and helps them talk about their problems. And she has 2 really cute sidekicks that go with her to work. Do you see those little guys? Who are they? What are they? They are both golden retrievers, and they are service pets. Little Legend is the younger one. He is a service dog in training, and this is Delta Bear, and Delta is a service dog that has already been certified, and so they go in and help my friend Elizabeth. They help her comfort people. So sometimes we might feel more comfortable talking to a pet than we do talking to a person. And so it's really, really helpful when my friend Elizabeth does her play therapy with younger kids, or when she's talking to people that are a little nervous. Delta Bear and Little Legend make them feel better. So, and Elizabeth devotes her life to helping other people and to taking care of her dogs and to helping her dogs help people as well. So I want you guys to say a great big thank you to my beautiful friend inside and out, Elizabeth. Thank you, Elizabeth. Oh, I am sure she is very appreciative of that, and she heard it all the way where she is. Thank you so much, Elizabeth, for putting your health out there and putting yourself on the line to help other people. It makes a huge difference in their lives. Awesome job. Okay, my friends, for our game today, we're going to play Guess What's in the Box, okay? So I'm going to give you 3 clues for each item. There are 2 items in the box today. So I'm going to give you a clue for the first item, okay? Get ready. Get ready to think, think, think. Okay, your first clue is it has a cord you plug in. What could it be? Cord you plug in. Your second clue is it has 2 buds. Buds could mean 2 different things, huh? Wonder what it is. And your last clue for this one is you use it to listen to music. What do you think, guys? If you think you know, say it out loud. Did you say it was earbuds? Yes. Okay, so remember your clues were it has a cord you plug in, and it has 2 buds. These are called earbuds. There's also buds that grow on flowers or grow on plants before they turn into flowers. And your last clue was we use it to listen to music. Awesome, awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna close my box up. Close the box. Okay, so the next item in here, okay, the first clue is it rolls. Second clue, I had to build it. And I'll give you a better clue than that. I had to build it out of my favorite toy to play with, not a sloth. What did I show you a bunch of that I build with? So it rolls. I had to build it out of my favorite toy. And your last clue is if there was a tiny person in this box, he could drive it. If you think you know, say it out loud. Oh, did you guess it was a Lego car? Yes. Very cool. So this is it's like a Lego surfer van. Remember it rolls. And we built it, actually Mr. Ferguson built it out of my favorite toy, which is Legos. And if there was a tiny person, he could drive it. And if you look really carefully, you can see there's a little tiny surfer dude in there. Surfs up. Yeah. So you guys did a great job on our game today. You did a great job growing your brain and working hard. And I am so glad that you came and joined me again. Let's give it a mix it up. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Awesome job. We will see you next time. Bye, guys.